The Farmer, the Windstorm, a story of unshakable strength. Dr. Robert Schuller's father was a hard-working farmer who owned a beautiful cornfield. One day, a massive windstorm swept through the farm, destroying nearly everything. The crops, which had taken months to grow, were flattened in just a few hours. The family was devastated, as their entire harvest was lost. The next morning, as the sun rose over the ruined fields, his father did something unexpected. Instead of complaining or giving up, he walked through the destroyed crops, looked at his son, and said, "Robert, this is a good time to plant potatoes." His father knew that life doesn't stop. When disaster strikes, you must adapt and find new opportunities, even in the worst situations. Rather than dwelling on the loss, he took action, planting a new crop that could still thrive despite the setback. This story teaches us that tough people don't let failures break them. When one door closes, another opens, but only if you have the courage to keep moving forward.